Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you handle server-side validation, error messages and Vue. So now let's get started with today's video. So here you can see this the form I have already created and added validation in Vue. But from server side, whichever error are coming, we need to handle that in Vue. So now let's open, inspect and submit this form. So here you can see we are having some errors that message field should be at least 10 characters. So these are from Laravel side. So these error messages we need to display below input fields. So now let me show you code, and here you can see example component in which I'm having my form, and here you can see form submit using axios is there. And if I'll show you API, you can see contact form save, it's going to contact controller and store function, and inside store function you can see I'm just storing into database, and before that contact request is there. So inside contact request you can see there are validation rules that are applied on fields. So these errors you can see in console. Let me show you in network tab. Here you can see that 10 characters, so these errors are coming. So how you can handle this? Now let's go to our Vue file, that is example component.vue, and here I'll be showing you one more parameter you can have here is actions. So now let me console it, and so now let me show you in browser what these actions will be holding. So now let's submit this form, name, email, phone, message, submit. Now let's go to console, and here you can see second one. So here you can see reset errors, set errors. So here you will be receiving error, set field error. So these are for particular fields. So inside that, if I'll open, you can see there are so many length, name. So we will be using these to set our errors in this form. So we will be using these actions in catch one. So here write actions dot set errors, and inside that name, and name, let's say I'll be giving a custom message, let's say name is required. So like that we can set. So let's do one thing, let's get two errors to handle. So change phone number to, let's say, send as alphabet, change to edge, and then submit. So this will give that phone number should have a digit. So now let me show you where you can get your backend errors. So if you will see in response, there you can see dot data. In data you can see your errors. So now let's get this data. So write error dot response dot data, and let's hold that in a variable, let's say let form errors. Now inside data you can see it's holding input name, and then at zero place is holding error message. So we need to handle like that. So let's take another variable, let's say name error, because there are four fields. So for particular field I'm going to handle here, let's say let name error equals to form errors, and I'm going to check if it's having that property or not, because if there is no error regarding name then it should not display. So check if has has on property, inside that pass so your input field name, that is name here, first one. If it has that property, then we are going to pass form errors, otherwise I'm going to pass it as a blank. So now let's do this for other fields also. So now second will be email error, pass has on property as email. Then third one is phone, and fourth one, okay, I have to change phone error also variable. And then fourth is message, and also change here variable message error. Now one more thing I need to change is form errors. So here it's a input name, so first one will be name, second will be email, third will be phone, and fourth will be message only. Now here I'm going to pass inside set errors name, name error, email, email error, like that, whatever your input field and what is like error regarding that. Then phone, phone error, and then message, message error. So now let's check in browser, fill this form, name, email, phone and message. So if I'll click on submit, here you can see error messages are coming for phone also and for message also. So these are from server side now. That message field should have at least 10 characters and phone should be numeric. So now let's change phone and also let's have a message more than 10 characters. So now if I'll click on submit, okay, have more than 10. Okay, now submit. So now you can see there is no error. So in this video I've shown you how you can handle your server side form errors into your Vue. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt related to this topic, then comment down in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.